On a Chinese e-commerce website, a copy of the iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphone has been discovered. The i14 Pro Max variant is quite similar to the original gadget, at least from the outside. The i14 Pro Max and the original smartphone are tough to tell apart at first appearance. The top model of the most recent Apple lineup, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, costs $999 in the US and up to $1,700 overseas. The Pro models can be identified by their new dynamic island and pill-shaped notch cutout. A 6.51-inch touchscreen, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, and 4G cellular network connectivity are among the features listed for the iPhone 14 Pro Max clone. The product's specifications are vastly inferior to those of Apple's actual Pro Max model, therefore it is not unexpected that it costs roughly $72. It is important to be aware of these look-alike models because they can fool less cautious customers. The iPhone 14 Pro Max clone is missing a few key characteristics, but it appears to also come in a high-end model with a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 CPU. The flagship model features 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage, according to the listing on the Chinese retail portal 1688. The advertisement also reveals that it houses a huge 7,800 mAh battery and supports a 120Hz refresh rate on its 6.8-inch display. The iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max are the models that make up the iPhone 14 lineup. They belong to the premium category of the smartphone industry because of their outstanding features. If you found this video appealing, please do your best to subscribe to our channel, like and share.